Creating QR codes on Instagram. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. In this update, I'll show you step by step how to create a QR code for your Instagram profile. Leo, what's this QR code for? Well, it makes accessing your profile easier. No need to manually search for your name. It's also great for quickly sharing your profile. Use it on business cards or flyers to direct people to your Instagram. It's handy at events too. Just scan, no need to type the AT. Brands use QR codes on displays to lead customers to Instagram. Lots of cool uses. Let's make one on the computer now. I'm already logged into my account. Click on Settings in the gear icon up here, then click on the QR code option. Here it is, folks. This is my QR code. You can choose the color for your QR code. There's black, blue, green. Select the color here, then click on Download QR code. I'll download it in PNG format. Just click Save. I've saved it. You can send it to WhatsApp or email, whatever you prefer. Did you manage to create your QR code, everyone? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks. Bless!